In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a board starred to show up at the top of your list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pin your most important Trello board, so it's always front and center, saving you clicks and keeping your work organized. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. In the results, click the official Trello website to open it. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account so you can access your boards. Once you're in, you'll land on your Workspace or Home view where all your boards are listed. Now, choose the board you want to keep at the top of your list and open it. This takes you into the Board view where you see your lists and cards. We're going to mark this board as a favorite so it's easy to find next time. Look toward the top right of the board header for the three dots icon. This is the menu for additional board options. Click it to open the menu. Inside that menu, find and click Star. As soon as you do, the board becomes starred. You'll usually see a star icon fill in to confirm it's now marked as a favorite. What changes right away? Your board will now appear in the Starred section at the top of your board's page and in places where Trello highlights favorites for quick access. That means the next time you open Trello, your starred board will be right at the top so you don't have to scroll or search. You can star multiple boards if you have several you use frequently, and they'll all live in that starred area for faster navigation. A few helpful tips if you don't see exactly what I'm describing. If the window is narrow, the three dots menu can be tucked away or represented by a compact icon, so try widening your browser. Depending on your interface, you might also see a small star near the board title. Clicking that has the same effect as using the menu. On mobile, the option appears under the board's menu, but the action is identical. And if you ever change your mind, simply click Star again to unstar it, and it will drop back to the regular list. Starring doesn't affect who can access the board or send extra notifications. It simply makes navigation faster for you. That's it. Open Trello, go to your board, click the three dots, and hit Star. Your board is now pinned to the top for quick, reliable access whenever you need it.